Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to use the green screen feature on CapCut. Welcome to another how to search tutorial video. So if you want to learn how to use the green screen on CapCut, just follow these simple steps. First of all, of course, let's go ahead and open CapCut and just upload or create a new project and upload the video that you want to use for your project. And then what you'll want to do next is to look for overlay at the bottom of the screen here. So just scroll down a bit until you see overlay and click on that. And then go ahead and select add overlay and then select the green screen image that you wish to add on there. So I do have this green screen subscribe image. So let's go ahead and add that in. You can then choose to select the length of the green screen image if you want to. I'll put mine for 10 seconds. And then what you'll want to do next is scroll down at the bottom or scroll sideways and then look for cutout. Before you even select that, what you'll want to do is place the image right where you want them to be on the video. So I'll put mine somewhere at the bottom section here and then just go back and click on cutout. And then what you'll want to select next is chroma key. Once you click on chroma key, you'll want to select somewhere in the video what color that you'll want to take off. So let's say here, I'll go ahead and take off the green color. And then in order to remove that green background, all you need to do next is to click on intensity and then adjust the intensity slider in order to remove the green screen background. And as you can see, the more that I push it forward to the right, the more that it loses all of the green color. And usually I'll put it on maximum just to be sure that there's no green coloring there. You can also adjust shadow if you're seeing any light leaks there. That way you can play around it. And as you can see, that green screen background for the subscribe image is no longer there. And when I play the video, it will be the same all throughout the duration of that green screen cutout. So that's actually a really good way of including a green screen image on a video that you're editing on CapCut, and that's really how simple it is. So hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Again, this is How to Search, and see you on the next one. Peace!